Welcome. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps for printing a file directly from your Google Drive app. Whether you need a hard copy of an important document or just want to keep things organized, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has the file you want to print. Once you're in, you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized. Next, find the file you want to print. You can scroll through your drive or use the search bar at the top to locate it faster. When you see the file, tap on it to highlight or open it, depending on the file type. Now, look for the three dots next to the file. These dots represent the More Options menu. Tap on the three dots to reveal a list of actions you can take with this file. From the menu that appears, tap on Print. This will bring up your device's print options. Here, you can select your printer, choose the number of copies, and adjust any other settings you need, like color or paper size. Before you finish, double-check your settings to make sure everything looks good. When you're ready, tap the Print button to send your file to the selected printer. That's it. Your document will start printing and you'll have a physical copy in just a few moments. This method works for most file types stored in Google Drive, including PDFs, images, and Google Docs. Printing from Google Drive has never been easier. With just a few taps, you can go from digital to paper without any hassle. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.